Hello friends, trainer kasa job notification ongkha Director of Travel Welfare ni bisingtai consultant lajaknai post ongkha eknisni 16 ta post tongo ei post no naro porinai di te kaisa post ni bagai iro vacancy rijak tongo te 11 number post ni bagai lajaknai 3 jona vacancy te o post na apply khlai narok application should be submitted addressing to e address ra norok form fill up khlai ire submit ma khlainai ba email ri rijak tongo email ri phano ri hamane pdf khlai to last date of submission of application is ongkha 18 April 2022 ni bisingo norok application submit ma khlainai as criteria ongkha iro 65 years ni bising khai norok application no khlai mangala tei application khlainani chung nango form o form ongkha amo application format ongkha imo tei noro e form no fill up khlai submit ma khlainai sakani address ba email ri pao khlai manana tei sungnai aro qualification ongkha kaisa post ni bagai different qualification rijak tongo tei noro porinai di video ni tolago description ro ang pdf ni rinai tei 16 ta post ni bagai different qualification experience sanjak tongo tei norok nainai di video description ro rijak tongo to friends tini job notification ongkha omo 28 March 2022 rok khurmani tei norok e job no rwnai hingkhe qualification match khlai nai di norokni qualification tongkhe 18 April ni bisingo apply khlai address ro ri hodi ba email bai ri hodi to friends video naina bagai norokno jotono hambai tei ar katal job notification naina muchungkhe ani channel no subscribe khaiton di tei ano support khlai di tei katal job video naina muchungkhai।